Welcome to Smart Bill Credit Card Processing System. This tutorial attempts to teach you how to use the Smart Bill website functionalities. So first is open up your internet browser and then type in the URL assigned to this web page. Type in your login credentials. So for now, the username and the password is admin, and then click on login. Okay, when you receive a new call, under New Call tab, click on Search and then type in the phone number. So for example, just going to use a random number here. Click on Search. If there are no results found, you can click on New Customer and then type in the details here. Fill up the necessary information. So last name, phone number, this, the address, state, and once everything is filled up, click on Submit. Okay, once you finish filling out the information, it would show the information here. So since we made John Smith, you can click on that and it would show the information here. Okay, so we have already created a test account. On this page, you can just click on the customer's phone number and it should redirect you to the sales order page. Right, so on this page, it would show you personal information, billing information, credit card information, product information, and direct sales process. So first off, under the personal information, it would show you the customer's information here. You can edit the customer's details by clicking on this hyperlink. Once you click on that, it should redirect you to another page. So you can click edit. So let's just go back there. Um, okay, under personal information, you also have uh, different billing address. So if the customer has a different billing address, you can put it here. Just put a check on the box and fill out the necessary information. So once you are finished, for example, just select anything there. Just scroll down at the bottom and then click on save after you are finished. So you can select it here. Um, it also has the credit card information, order details, transaction details, and order notes. So we have three tabs here: order details, transactions, and notes. Okay, in order detail, you can see the status of the order of the customer per product. And also in this part, agent can change the bill date and change the next MRC account if the customer requested it. So just click on change next bill date. Click OK. Fill out the necessary information and then save. Same goes for change next MRC account. Click OK. And then under transactions, this tab you can see all the transactions made by this customer, and you can also refund here by just clicking on refund. So just select the certain transaction, put a check mark, click refund, and fill out the information, and then process the refund. Okay, lastly, under the notes tab, you can see all the notes made by the system and by the agent. You can also add your own notes here and then save. And you can also cancel request on this page. So just fill out the information again and then select the status, submit request. Okay, so for us to test the credit card information, we need to select an account which doesn't have any details yet. So remember earlier we have created an account for testing. So just select the phone number and then fill up the credit card information. Okay, the expiry date, just select that, and the name of the card, John Smith. In order for you to verify the card type, just click on submit. This would also determine the offer you are going to give the customer. So for example, if it's a debit card, prepaid card. So for this instance, it shows as a Visa Mastercard, and you can also set a callback by putting a check mark here, and then callback date. Let's just set it to today, and you can add notes as well. Okay, the callback will show up here, but we'll explain that later. Let's just get on with the product information. So let me just save this for now. Okay, so for product information, you can select the product subscription here. It says, okay, select the product leg. So let's say leg one. So every product leg consists of product offers for core and upsell products. So this is the core and this is the upsell. So core, this is your main product. This would be offered by sales team. So you can just press plus the plus sign so you can add. And you can also, for example, you're going to add or upsell either one of this. You can just select, you can just press the plus sign as well. So we're going to press the pre-auth. Just press OK again. Okay, let's just go back to search. So as you can see, it has an order ID now and a product. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, under the core, it already have a sales date. which is today. And right now, right now I'm going to, like I said earlier, we would go back to under the new call. We would go to callback, and as you can see, this is the scheduled callback that we set earlier. So you can call back the customer uh, right after that. Okay.